The cake has to be in the fridge, so I put it outside.
La boo boo.
Gonna fix the decoration. So we have sisig, lumpiang sariwa, fried chicken, of course, rice,
Look over here.
pancit palabok. Of course, with pancit, you have puto, kochinta.
I'll sleep here tonight.
Of course, birthday girl is lazy, as always.
Excuse me.
And we got candies
Unacceptable.
and
You see me?
small cupcakes
Look
and chips.
at the mirror.
Someone's happy. You happy? So Lan's 10th birthday at Great Poke Lodge.